Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Notion versus Day One. We'll explore their distinct features, ideal use cases, and help you decide which application best suits your productivity and journaling needs. Notion offers a flexible workspace for many tasks, while Day One provides a focused, secure environment for personal reflection. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of their strengths and weaknesses, empowering you to make an informed choice. Notion truly shines as an all-in-one workspace, offering unparalleled flexibility. You can build custom databases, wikis, and dashboards, connecting information across hundreds of pages. It supports diverse content blocks, from simple text to embedded files, making it perfect for complex project management or team collaboration. If you need a highly customizable system to organize virtually anything, Notion is an incredibly powerful tool designed to adapt to your unique workflow and scale with your needs. Day One, on the other hand, is a master of dedicated journaling. It provides a private and secure space for your thoughts, often with robust encryption to protect your entries. Features like automatic location, weather, and activity tracking enrich your memories, while rich text, photos, and audio attachments bring your stories to life. Its clean, focused interface encourages daily reflection, making it the ideal choice for anyone seeking a premium, distraction-free journaling experience. So, which is better for you? Choose Notion if you require a versatile, all-in-one workspace for diverse tasks, project management, and team collaboration. Opt for Day One if your primary need is a dedicated, secure, and feature-rich journaling experience, focusing on personal reflection. You might even consider using both in conjunction for specialized needs. Ultimately, the better tool depends entirely on your specific workflow, priorities, and how you envision organizing your digital life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.